In Southeast Asia, towering tsunamis, born from distant earthquakes, sweep across coastlines, leaving behind a haunting calmness. In the Americas, volcanic eruptions paint the sky in hues of orange and ash, while earthquakes rumble through cities, shaking them to their foundations. Meanwhile, Asia's monsoon floods transform tranquil landscapes into torrents of water, engulfing everything in their path. Over in the American Rockies, avalanches crash down mountain slopes with a stunning yet terrifying fury, reshaping the earth below. In Australia, unrelenting wildfires dance across the terrain, turning lush greenery into smoldering remnants overnight. Each spectacle reveals nature's unpredictable artistry, a striking juxtaposition of beauty and devastation.